Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Elma Joy, a working professional, life coach, and content creator in San Diego, California. If you're feeling overwhelmed, drained, or just in need of a little more you time, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about practical self-care, the kind that fits into your everyday life without feeling like another item on your to-do list. Because let's be honest, self-care isn't always spa days and fancy vacations. Sometimes it's the small, intentional things that we do that make the biggest difference. So today I'm sharing 5 simple but powerful self-care strategies, including how to create your own wellness kit, a little box of comfort and calm made just for you. Sounds good? Let's dive in. Tip 1. Build your own wellness kit. Think of this as your self-care first aid kit, something that you can turn to when you're stressed, anxious, or just need a reset. The idea is to fill a small box or bag with things that bring you comfort and joy. Here are a few ideas. A favorite tea or a small snack like a chocolate or candy that makes you feel happy, a pair of cozy socks or a warm blanket to give you a sense of comfort, a journal or notebook with a pen or pencil for reflection, essential oils or a calming candle to engage your senses of smell and ground you, a playlist of go-to uplifting songs that make you want to get up and move, a handwritten note to yourself with words of encouragement or notes from other people that lift you up like birthday cards or thank you notes. Whenever you're feeling off, reach for your wellness kit. It's a gentle reminder that you already have the tools you need to support yourself. Tip 2. Set a daily pause moment. Life moves fast, and it's easy to rush from one task to the next without checking in with yourself. A simple way to practice self-care is by setting a daily pause moment. This could be a 5-minute stretch break on your own, or with the help of a short YouTube video, a deep breathing exercise between meetings. I recommend guided meditations on apps like Calm, a moment to sip your coffee without distractions just to take in the aroma and taste of the coffee, a quick step outside for fresh air and sunlight to uplift and energize you. These little pauses give your mind and body a reset, making you feel less frazzled and more present. Tip 3. Declutter your mental space. Self-care isn't just about what you do, it's about what you let go of. And that includes mental clutter. One powerful practice, a brain dump. Grab a notebook and write down everything on your mind, tasks, worries, ideas, things you've been meaning to do. Getting it out of your head and onto paper can bring instant relief. I use a journal to write out everything that I'm feeling, whatever I have to do that day, a few things I'm grateful for, and a couple of affirmations to set the tone for the day or the evening. If you go on Pinterest, there are a lot of templates and prompts you can use for journaling that you can give a try. You can also declutter your digital space by organizing your inbox, unfollowing accounts that don't uplift you, or setting boundaries around screen time. A little mental decluttering goes a long way in creating a sense of peace. Tip 4. Move your body without the pressure. Exercise is often framed as something we have to do, but movement can be a form of self-care when it's something you enjoy. Try a dance break to your favorite song, a gentle walk outside, a yoga flow that feels good in your body, or a few deep stretches at your desk. The goal isn't to burn calories or hit a milestone. It's simply to reconnect with your body and shake off any stress. Tip 5. Create a nighttime wind-down ritual. How you end your day is just as important as how you start it. A calming nighttime routine signals to your brain that it's time to rest, making it easier to unwind and sleep well. I suggest you try 1 or 2 of these. Dim the lights and light a candle. I'm a big candle collector, and I'm currently obsessed with my Palo Santo candle from Bath & Body Works. It's so soothing and grounding. Read a few pages of a book instead of scrolling. Do a short gratitude reflection or meditation. You can use a journal, app, or go freely on your own. Sip herbal tea. I like mint or chamomile while listening to calming music. I enjoy frequency music that increases your mental frequency, or a spa playlist on Spotify. It doesn't have to be an hour-long ritual, just a few simple habits that help you transition from a busy day to a restful night. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. And the best part, it doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're building a wellness kit, taking a mindful pause, or simply moving in a way that feels good, these small acts of care add up over time. So which one of these are you willing to try first? I'd love to hear in the comments. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend who might need a little self-care in their life. And as always, love yourself. You deserve it. Next episode, I'll be sharing more helpful advice. Until then, take care and remember, you are enough.